The discovery of Kemferol's potential as a treatment for neurodegenerative diseases such as ALS and dementia adds a welcome note of optimism to a field often marked by slow progress and limited therapeutic options. In the study conducted by researchers at the University of Missouri, this naturally occurring antioxidant, commonly found in everyday foods like kale, blueberries, strawberries, and endives, has shown a remarkable ability to support the health of nerve cells, opening up fresh possibilities for interventions in diseases that have long been considered relentless and incurable. The importance of this finding is not only in what Kemferol does at the cellular level, but in the way it suggests a more holistic and accessible avenue toward brain health. At a time when medical science often leans heavily on synthetic drugs and complex treatments, the idea that compounds found in the produce aisle may play a meaningful role in neuroprotection feels both refreshing and promising. This is not to suggest that eating a salad can cure ALS, of course, but rather that nature may still harbor powerful tools that modern medicine is just beginning to understand and refine. Kemferol appears to act on two critical systems within the nerve cell: the mitochondria, responsible for energy production, and the endoplasmic reticulum, which helps process proteins. In neurodegenerative diseases like ALS, both of these cellular systems are commonly impaired, leading to cascading damage in nerve function and motor control. What makes Kemferol stand out is its dual-action capability. According to lead researcher Smita Saxena, this compound may be one of the first of its kind to simultaneously target both the cell's energy system and its protein processing center, two central pillars of nerve cell health. In lab experiments using nerve cells derived from ALS patients, Kemferol significantly improved energy production and reduced stress within the endoplasmic reticulum. The overall result was a slowing of nerve cell deterioration and a retention of motor function, an especially significant outcome, considering that ALS typically progresses quickly and aggressively, often leaving patients with severely limited mobility and a drastically reduced quality of life. What's especially exciting about this development is not just that it holds promise for ALS, but that it may extend to other neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These conditions, like ALS, are marked by energy deficits in brain cells and the toxic accumulation of misfolded proteins. Kemferol's ability to intervene at both fronts gives it a wide range of potential application, and researchers believe that it may one day become part of a multi-pronged strategy to preserve brain function in the face of aging and disease. Despite the need for more research and refinement, the implications here are profoundly hopeful. Natural compounds like Kemferol remind us that even small interventions, if harnessed correctly, can have far-reaching consequences. The very idea that something found in familiar foods might offer a stepping stone toward effective treatment is a powerful testament to the intersection between nutrition and neurology, a reminder that what we consume might influence not just our short-term health, but the long-term fate of our cognitive and motor abilities. Of course, the practical application of Kemferol as a treatment still faces hurdles. One of the biggest challenges lies in its bioavailability, that is, how easily the body can absorb and use it. Simply eating kale or berries isn't likely to deliver a therapeutic dose, especially in individuals with advanced disease. But this obstacle is not insurmountable. The research team is already working on innovative solutions to enhance Kemferol's delivery, including the use of lipid-based nanoparticles, microscopic fat particles that can encapsulate the compound and help it pass through biological barriers, including the notoriously selective blood-brain barrier. These nanoparticles are already widely used in modern drug delivery, including in mRNA vaccines, and could represent a revolutionary method for targeting natural compounds like Kemferol directly to brain cells. This means the benefits of Kemferol could be delivered with far greater efficiency and consistency, bypassing some of the current limitations and offering a realistic pathway to clinical use. Perhaps most significantly, Kemferol appears to retain its therapeutic potential even after the onset of symptoms. This is an enormously important feature, especially in diseases like ALS, where early detection is rare and most patients are diagnosed only after significant nerve damage has already occurred. A treatment that can still make a difference at this stage represents a major shift in strategy, from prevention to meaningful intervention, and would dramatically improve the prognosis and quality of life for patients already living with these conditions. It's also worth noting that the excitement around camphorol extends beyond its medical potential. This discovery contributes to a growing appreciation of the complex biochemical richness of natural foods. The same fruits and vegetables we often take for granted may contain dozens, even hundreds, of compounds that interact with our bodies in ways we're only just beginning to understand. In an era dominated by synthetic pharmaceuticals, returning to nature not as an alternative, but as a complementary frontier of scientific exploration, adds depth and sustainability to the future of medicine. While the journey from lab bench to bedside is always a long one, especially in neurology, where progress is hard-won, the groundwork being laid by this research is both solid and inspiring. With further development, camphorol and similar compounds could become part of a new generation of neuroprotective therapies, natural, targeted, and capable of working in harmony with the body's own systems. And in a landscape where the need for new tools against dementia and ALS grows more urgent by the day, that is a development worth watching and celebrating.